In the midst of a narrow plot surrounded by apartment buildings and a cemetery in Okinawa, Japan, stands the Pyramid Hut, an 83-square-meter home designed by IGArchitects. Built for a married couple, the house sits on a sloping site that presented both contextual challenges and design inspiration. Instead of embracing the typical tropical openness found in Okinawan architecture, this house takes a more introverted and contemplative approach, maintaining privacy while still allowing in light and comfort. The structure takes the form of a square pyramid, reminiscent of a shrine or even a tomb, drawing on the spiritual architectural language of Okinawa's past. Perched on the sturdy Ryukyu limestone bedrock, the house appears elevated, almost as if it rests on traditional Japanese wooden clogs. This closed, solid form ensures structural stability and a dignified presence, shielding the interior from the dense surroundings while preserving a serene and timeless quality. The sloping site is divided into 3 distinct levels, each responding to a different function. The first level contains the entrance and bathroom, efficiently grouping the plumbing. A meter below, the second level houses the living and dining area along with the study, while the backmost, third level is reserved for the bedroom and private spaces. This staggered configuration allows for a natural spatial progression, with a skylight above that brings in daylight to animate the interior. Inside, the design is simple yet purposeful. Warm wooden elements soften the concrete mass, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The contrast between raw materiality and delicate lighting evokes the feeling of a quiet sanctuary. Though contemporary, the home borrows from the spirit of Okinawa's ancestral tombs, spaces designed not only for the dead but also for gatherings, remembrance, and intergenerational connection. pyramid hut is not just a dwelling, but a statement of permanence. Architect Masato Igarashi explains that the design was meant to endure beyond the original function or ownership, an architectural form that would be loved, inhabited, and relevant across generations. The pyramid shape isn't purely aesthetic. It's a direct response to Okinawa's intense climate, frequent rain, and strong winds. It also accommodates the site constraints and limited budget. The sloped roof efficiently sheds water while providing extra interior height. Carefully positioned openings ensure natural light and ventilation without compromising the home's stability or privacy. Ultimately, Pyramid Hut is a contemporary interpretation rooted in local tradition and environmental sensitivity. Though its form may appear unconventional at first glance, the home carries a quiet Okinawan soul, resilient, tranquil, and rich with meaning. A small house with a powerful presence, it offers timeless inspiration on how architecture can bridge past, present, and future.